We're gonna get right into this, and as you guys see, I am taking my spoolie right now and I'm just combing through those hairs. Now I'm gonna take my pencil that I got from, I want to say Walgreens. It's by Wet n Wild, and it's literally like maybe 99 cents to $1 or maybe $1.99. I'm not really sure. I can link the price in the description box, but it's just a brown pencil, and as you see, I'm just outlining my natural brow right now. So I always do that whenever I do my brows. I start by outlining and then I'm gonna fill them in. And I just use my natural shape to just outline it. And as you see now, I'm filling in. And I'm going to take that spoolie and just blend all of that out. So this is my quick brows. Like, I can do these brows literally in 5 minutes. So it doesn't take much time. You really just want to focus on blending the product through. And as you guys are going to see, I'm going to use the spoolie a lot in this video. And then I just wipe off whatever smudging that I see. Yeah, we're going back in with the spoolie again. And I love this one. I got it off of Amazon. And that spoolie just works amazing. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Like I said, I do start outlining my brows first. I'm going to go underneath the brow. I always start underneath, just to kind of get my guide going, and then I'm going to connect it at the top, and then we're gonna do that top, and then we're just gonna blend out again once I get my desired shape. Yeah, we're gonna use that spoolie again, and you just want to keep blending to make sure that your brows look very defined and they look, you know, really put together. So I'm liking it so far. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if you like my brows so far. So this is Cabral by Benefit, and it's a whole little kit. Like, it comes off, the top comes off, and it's just so cute. So I'm just gonna dig in the pan just to get a little bit of product on the brush, and then I'm gonna start going through, and then I'm gonna outline the brow again just to define it a little more. The pencil is great, but this brow pomade is just so bomb, you guys. Now this one retails, I want to say, for anywhere between $22 and $25. So it is definitely pricey, but it is worth it because it works so amazing. As you guys can see, it's really defining the brows. And you guys see my son. He's such a mama's boy. It's so cute. So let's take some of that LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. And yeah, he was acting out, so I had to yell at him real quick. So I'm just going to start by outlining this brow, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now I'm just taking a little light layer of this stuff. You don't need too much unless you really want to go ham, but you just need a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to blend that concealer out and really define my shape. So what are you guys thinking so far? Yes. So I'm loving them. They came out so good. And like I said, this is literally 5 minutes. So I'm going to take some of this FentyBeauty blotting powder, the universal blotting powder. And I just like to go over my brows at the top with this because, you guys, oh my goodness, I get so oily on my brows. But this stuff keeps me nice and matte all night. So that one retails, I want to say, for $25 to $30, but it's definitely worth it because it just has my face so freaking matte because I do have oily skin. I have like combination skin. Okay, so let's take this brow mascara from Wet n Wild, and then I'm just going to go through and just put all that product on there, and this will help your brows stay in one place. So your hairs are not going anywhere once you put this stuff on. And it also defines it to give it a nice sculpted look. So I love that stuff. And that stuff is like $4. So it's really inexpensive. So thanks for watching.